chicken wipeout. Now, we only have one contestant today lined up. I don't know why, but here he is, the chicken man. You can also take off his helmet. I want to take it off.
He's probably getting my dad to do something bad. Yeah, like making him take another ride.
Wait a minute. Alright, I took off his helmet, and here he is without his helmet. I can't take his arm off. So, yeah. Okay, let's see how this chicken wipeout goes. Alright, Chicken Man. He's 32 years old, fast, and very strong. Let's see how he does. Alright, that was a good wipeout. Oh, that was a good wipeout. Let's show the replay. Alright, that was a good wipeout, but now he's in the wall climber. He climbs up the wall and jumps into one of the fence, landing on the fridge. Now he's going past the fridge. And alright, now he's gonna jump off and make a wipeout. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, there. Let's show. I can't even. Wait, where'd it? Oh, I can't even see it. Right, here we go. The replay. Okay, that was a weird one. So he's gonna finish off. Another wall climber. Jump off. Oh, is he gonna land it? Oh, but he failed. Alright, that was 2 minutes and 32 seconds. The chicken has won. And I will see you in part 2. Goodbye.